This evening with the traditional lighting of the lamp. May I call upon Sri Balan Nambiar sir, who is a famous sculptor and a researcher of ritual art, to come onto the stage and light the lamp. I also call upon Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, the ex-chairman of Indian Space Research Organization, and also Srimati Shobha Nambishan, former retired IS officer, to come onto the stage and light the lamp. I now call upon Kumari Nandagopika to render the invocation.
भजरे गोपालम् भजरे गोपालम् मानस भजरे गोपालम् मानस भजरे गोपालम् मानस भजरे गोपालम् मानस भजरे गोपालम् भज गोपालो भजित को चेलो भज गोपालो भजित को चेलो भज गोपालो भजित को चेलो त्रिगल मूलो तिथि सुतकालो त्रिजगल मूलो तिथि सुत सूतकालो भजरे गोपालम् मानस भजरे गोपालम् मानस भजरे गोपालम् आगमसारो योगविचारो आगमसारो योगविचारो आगमसारो योगविचारो भोग्यशरीरं भुवनाधारं भोग्यशरीरं भुवनाधारं भजरे गोपालं मानस भजरे गोपालम् मानस भजरे गोपालम् कदनकठोरं कलुषविधूरं कदनकठोरं कलुषविधूरं मदनकुमारं मधुसंहारं नतमल्दारो नन्दकिशोरो नतमल्दारो नन्दकिशोरो नतमल्दारो नन्दकिशोरो हतचाणूरो सविहारो हतचाणूरो हंसविहारो भजरे गोपालं मानस भजरे गोपालं मानस भजरे गोपालं Thank you.
Gopika for the very melodious invocation. Now, to begin the evening, most of you are aware of Uttishta and their activities. However, I would like to give you all a brief introduction. Uttishta is a social service trust formed by a group of young people residing in Bangalore. It came into existence informally in the year 2006 and became a registered charitable trust in the year 2013. The members of this trust are inspired by the ideals of Swami Vivekananda and try to put into practice his great vision by means of simple but very effective social service programs. Uttishta's programs are mainly focused on areas such as educational support, environmental protection, spiritual and cultural activities, support to village NGOs, and to help to the needy in emergencies. Uttishta's website and Facebook pages have ample information on the different activities that has been undertaken over the years. I would like to share here only a few of those recent ones. Recently, a child and a young housewife were given financial support for medical treatment. The first one being Kumari Vandana, a young 8-year-old girl who was suffering from deformity of her lower limbs. A corrective surgery was suggested by her doctors, which was estimated to cost around 3 lakhs. Being a part-time teacher of a tuition center, this amount was out of reach for Vandana's mother. So we contributed 25,000 rupees towards her surgery, which is scheduled to be done in March later this year. The second case is of a couple from Tamil Nadu. The young housewife was suffering from a rare illness and was admitted to the ICU at NIMHANS. Her treatment involved a very expensive injection to be administered for a few days before she could be moved out of the ICU. They were helpless and had almost lost all hope of saving her life. This is when Uttishta got a request for support and agreed to do so. We were able to contribute 87,000 rupees thanks to the timely donations of a couple of our kind-hearted well-wishers. The patient's life was saved and she's presently undergoing treatment in Kozhikode. When Chennai city was reeling under the recent floods, we got a request to support them with medicines. We sent medicines worth 1.25 lakhs, and the same was distributed through Seva Bharati, an NGO which organized medical camps in Chennai. We would also like to inform you that the educational sponsorship program is going on well, and we will soon be sharing the progress report of the students with our well-wishers. To help spread the message of Swachh Bharat, we had organized a cleaning drive in the premises of Sri Yogananda School, located near Alsur Metro Station on October 2nd, 2015. We also organized a talk on the great philosopher and Vedanta proponent, Swami Chinmayananda, to commemorate his birth centenary. The first house under the Abhayam project is getting ready, and the construction is expected to be completed by April 2016. The project is estimated to be around 3 lakhs. Uttishta aims to construct one house every year for a needy family through this program. On this occasion, we would like to thank all our well-wishers for supporting us wholeheartedly, without which we would not have been able to do any of this. We look forward to your continued support. As the CSR activities of the business houses are on the rise, we wish to partner with them and participate in those programs too. This would help us reach out to many more needy people. We seek your support for this as well. Let's all live the ideal, Atmano Mokshartham Jagat Hitayacha. Whatever we do should be intended for the liberation of the self and for the benefit of the world around us. Now, coming on to the program schedule for this evening, as you all know, is a Kathakali performance by the Kalamandalam artists, which is based on an episode from the Mahabharata called the Kichakavadam. Here is a brief synopsis of the story. Kichakavadam, or the slaying of Kichaka. This much acclaimed work by Iriyamman Thambi is based on an episode from the Mahabharata. The 5 Pandava kings and their wife Draupadi, after losing to the Kauravas at a game of dice, had to spend 12 years in exile in the wilderness, followed by a final year in hiding, during which no one should discover their identities. If their disguise is exposed in the 13th year, they would be forced to spend another 12 years in exile, and so on. The story takes place in the 13th year, when the Pandavas arrive at King Virata's palace and seek employment in various guises. Bhima is employed as a royal chef and goes by the alias Valala, and the beautiful Draupadi acts as a handmaiden to Queen Sudeshna, taking the name Sairandri. Queen Sudeshna's powerful brother Kichaka is the general of the Virata army and the de facto power behind the throne. The actors portraying various characters are Kalamandalam Gopi as Kichakan, Margi Vijay Kumar as Sairandri, Kalamandalam Hari S. Nair as Valalan, Kalamandalam Vipin as Sudeshna. Music will be rendered by Sri Patiyur Shankaranguti and Kalamandalam Vinod. Accompanying them on the chenda will be Kalamandalam Krishnadas, and on the Maddalam, Kalanilayam Manoj. Chutti, that is the makeup and costume, is by Sri Erur Manoj. Aniyara, the background, by Sri Murali and Sri Manoj. Coordination, ICPA Bangalore. And now over to Kathakali Sandhya 2016. I hand over the stage to all the performers of the evening. One small request all of you all to kindly switch off your mobiles, and so that everyone can enjoy the evening uninterrupted. Thank you.
மாதங்க ஆனனம் அப்ஜபாச ரமணி கோவிந்த மத்ய आद्यं गुरु व्यासं पाणिनि गर्गनारद गणादाद्य मुनीन्द्र बुधा दुर्गा चापि मृदङ्गशैलनिलय श्री पोर्कले इष्टत भक्त्या नित्यमुपास्महे सब दिन कुर्वन्तु मे मङ्गलम् Hare